If you're okay with losing leads and watching money walk out the door, you can skip this video. If not, stick around. Let me introduce you to Kayse. Meet Dan Jacobs, co-founder and CEO of Kayse. That's spelled K-A-Y-S-E, pronounced Kayse. Dan has launched 6 tech companies from scratch, one of them, the oil claim calculator. Helped process over $1 billion in BP claims after the Deepwater Horizon spill. After that, Dan built one of the very first CRMs for plaintiff lawyers. It was part of a $1 billion recap event that changed plaintiff law forever. And for 20 years, Dan kept seeing that same pattern. Law firms pour everything into intake, but in plaintiff law, that's not enough. The best leads come in after hours, and they're lost before anyone can call them back. So Dan built Kayse, not another CRM, a speed to lead layer that runs 24/7 right alongside the one you already use. So the leads your firm is already paying for actually turn into signed cases. Here's how it works. If you reach a new lead in 5 minutes, you're 21 times more likely to qualify them than the firm that waits 30. That is the entire game, the whole game. A lead fills out your form Friday night at 11:43 p.m. You don't see it until Monday morning. By then, they signed with somebody else. That case is gone, and you already paid for that lead. Here's the part nobody talks about. 49% of fatal crashes happen at night. Saturday is the deadliest day on the road. Friday is the busiest. Most accidents happen when your office is closed. So your speed to lead problem is not a 9 to 5 problem. It is a nights and weekends problem. Most legal AI is half a product. Document AI, client portal, chat widgets, AI receptionists that just pre-qualify and transfer to a human. They all wait for the lead to call you. And waiting doesn't fix the real problem. Capacity. Your intake team gets buried at night, on weekends, during the lunch rush. Leads pile up. By the time someone calls back, the lead is gone. Kayse does the opposite. The AI reaches out. Email, SMS, text, voice, all built around a compliance framework, plus 24/7 inbound. That is the full loop. That is what actually moves the conversation. Inside Kayse, a firm creates a new AI workflow. Pick the firm type, PI, mass tort, SSD, workers' comp. Pick a data-backed template. Done. The default screening agent covers email, SMS text, and voice out of the box. Or upload the firm's long-form plaintiff fact sheet, training doc. Kayse builds a custom voice agent from it, or the Kayse team builds it for you. White glove, included. Now, here's the magic. A lead fills out the form. Within seconds, Kayse sends an email. Inside that email is the phone number to the Kayse AI intake agent. So even at 11:43 at night, the lead can tap and call. The AI answers on the first ring 24/7. During business hours and weekends, all 3 channels fire within 1 minute. Email, SMS, voice, that is real speed. Most leads do not pick up on call 1. 90% pick up by call 6. The 14-day workflow keeps showing up. Speed to lead plus persistence. That is the math behind the moat. And when the lead calls you back, the Kayse AI receptionist picks up 24/7. Full intake, start to finish. No voicemail, no missed money. Live in 2 weeks, works behind your CRM, Litify, Law Ruler, Smart Advocate, Salesforce. We do not replace your stack. We add the speed layer your firm has been missing. Look, the lead that came in at 11:43 last night, somebody's gonna sign that case. It might as well be you. Stop letting your weekends bleed money. Book the demo, set up the workflow, get the speed, let's go.